Welcome back to Summer Sunrise. I'm here with Doug from the National Repertory Orchestra. Well, actually, that's a misnomer. You run the NRO. You don't play for them.
Oh, no, I don't.
No,
definitely. Let's make that clear.
You're a little bit upper on the demographics than the typical NRO musician.
I don't know about that, but they won't let me touch an instrument.
No, you look very youthful. Tell us about the NRO. We're winding up the season, a few more shows. Just give us a cliff note of what the NRO is.
The National Repertory Orchestra is a training orchestra for young musicians. So these are musicians who are ready to go out in the world and get a real job in a real orchestra, and we provide them with the tools to do that. We work them really hard for 8 weeks. They play a lot of material. So when they come out of this, they have the experience of real world on the stage with other great musicians.
How many people audition and how many make the cut?
We have 800 to 900 auditions in a typical year, and 89 are chosen.
That's about the same as a Navy SEAL.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of the same thing.
So 800, 1 in 10 make it, and it's a springboard to generally a professional career. Often these guys and gals go into professional careers in major symphonies around the world. Now we have 3 concerts left, 1 joint, 2 individual. Let's talk about Saturday night.
Saturday night's a joint concert that we love to do every year with the Breckenridge Music Festival, and that's Carl will be conducting Stravinsky's Rite of Spring, and then Gerhard Zimmermann will conduct Respighi's Fountains of Rome and Pines of Rome. So it's a big program. It'll be a great program. You know, the 2 orchestras are really kind of different. Ours is a full-scale orchestra. Theirs is more of a chamber-sized orchestra. So what we do is different, and we're different organizations, but we love playing together every year.
When you say it's a big production, for a neophyte like myself, a mouth breather, if you will, does that mean a lot of percussion, a lot of brass, just a lot of explosion, maybe less strings?
For a neophyte, you got that.
Really cool.
I mean, there's a lot of strings. I don't mean that,
sure.
but I mean you really feel the difference in the percussion and the horns, the brass stuff. I mean, it's a powerful piece. Both halves are very powerful.
How many people would be on stage for that one Saturday?
As many will fit. I don't know, but I mean every corner is going to be covered. I'll guarantee you that.
Now that is Saturday, joint concert for the BMF and the NRO. 547-3100 is the box office number. We have 2 more shows, and then the NRO packs up. Wednesday is the first one.
Right. And Giancarlo Guerrero, who's the music director in Nashville and really a rising star in this business, is going to be here as our guest conductor on Wednesday. He's doing Brahms Symphony No. 2. But Giancarlo was just appointed to be the principal guest conductor for the Cleveland Orchestra when they're in residency in Florida, which is a very prestigious appointment and says a lot about how strong he is. He's apparently a great personality. I look forward to seeing him.
Now, is Brahms, is that a little bit more melodic, a little bit more whimsical?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, now
people will really like that. It's a comforting piece.
That's Wednesday as well. In curtain call is 7:30. The show starts at 7:30, and then the last concert.
The big finale on Friday, August 3rd, is Mahler 5. One of the big pieces that we're doing this year that the musicians really love to kind of dig into and get that experience of playing. But Mahler 5 is also Mahler's most, what they call, accessible program. People really enjoy that, and you'll hear some music in the middle of that you absolutely recognize because it's played all the time. It's actually one of the most beautiful adagios, romantic pieces in the whole repertoire.
Yeah, I tell you, we had a little adagio at my house last night. Yeah, and you just met my wife.
Yeah.
Did she look delighted or not? Now, it is 547-3100 is the box office. 3 concerts, 1 with the BMF and the NRO joint, 2 more. Final night at the NRO will be Friday, and I'm sure we want to thank all the host families.
Yeah, we've had a great season. The host families who kind of adopt the young musicians who are here. They don't live with them, but they take care of them and they feed them and take all that. By the way, the Olympics are coming up, and you can TiVo the Olympics, but you can't TiVo our concert.
Perfect. There you go. There you go. All right, it is 547-3100. That's the box office number, but you also can buy online. That's what we'd recommend because online is always open where the box office has specific hours. Website,
nromusic.com.
All right, we'll be back with more. Don't go away. We're going to go back to the studio for Watch a Win, so stay tuned to that.